Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start immediately by prepping essentials: 1 maple seed, a 10% drop boost, and being in the daytime spawn zone. Plant or trigger the spawn point right away so you capture the first growth window. Once done, monitor the timer closely and avoid moving off the node. Staying within range keeps your spawn priority. Make sure to use the boost before the first tick because early application yields the highest chance for maple apple. You now guide the middle phase by timing and control. Act when the spawn timer hits about 2/3 so you intervene before finalization. Use active buffs and stand in the optimal spot to claim priority. Position matters for drop attribution. Once settled, clear any nearby mobs that could steal credit and reapply short duration boosts as they expire. Make sure to micromanage the node without overextending. Steady, deliberate control. You finish by collecting at the final tick, confirming inventory space so the maple apple can register. Once collected, immediately verify success and stack the item if needed. If the apple doesn't appear, first try a quick logout and re-enter to reset your client. If that fails, reset the node within 5 minutes and apply your backup boost before the next cycle. One troubleshooting tip: if spawns still fail, check for overlapping events or whether that override normal drops and adjust timing accordingly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.